Film Club is an organization on campus at Moorpark College that allows students who are interested in film to get together, to network.
Watch movies, talk about movies, celebrate cinema.
It's always a really enjoyable time to be in an environment of people that just experienced the same movie.
Not only are they networking with other film students to help each other on film projects, but the other benefit is they get free field trips.
We've done studio tours for like Warner Brothers and Paramount Studios.
Where you just walk around, get to see the backlots of the facades of these iconic films. If you like movies, if you watch movies, just come by, check it out.
I really enjoy the sense of community and of bringing together everybody here at our film club.
Come on down.